Horrid, Henry! Are you sitting comfortably? Good. Then let's begin.
It's not easy being me. Wash your face and brush your hair. Well, nag, 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 it's just not fair. I'm Horrid Henry. So down with school, I'm gonna rule. And when I'm king, I'll do my thing. And then my life will be so sweet. I'm Horrid Henry. Na na na, na na nay. The purple hand gang rules okay. Well, it's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
Henry's got the hiccups. I call this story Horrid Henry and the Horrid Hiccups. Wow! The world's biggest bogey was as big as a tennis ball.
Mom! Henry's putting me off my breakfast.
Don't be horrid, Henry.
I wish I could be in the big book of weird and wacky records.
Yeah, for the world's smelliest socks.
The world's smelliest. Ooh, excuse me. I've got hiccups.
Oh, now, what did they recommend on I'm a Parent Get Me Out of Here?
Yeah, just put a live frog down his pants. That'll get rid of them.
Oh, I know, something sweet and sugary. Here we are, Peter. Have a spoonful of honey.
Oh, this is so not fair. Eureka! That's it! Oh, no! Now I've got hiccups too. Hick! I must have caught them off Peter. I need something sweet too.
No, you don't, Henry. You've got super hiccups, so you need...
A sweet?
No, Henry. Pickled onion juice.
Well, you know what I'm going to say to that, don't you?
Good morning, everyone. Right, I hope you've all brought in your favourite book.
Oh, yes!
That your favourite book, Henry?
Yeah. I wish I could be in the big book of weird and wacky records.
Ah, yes, one of my favourite books too. I particularly like the record for the world's most effective teacher.
Look at this! The world's baggiest...
Henry's got the hiccups. Henry's got the hiccups. Henry's got the hiccups. Henry's got the hiccups. Henry's got the hiccups.
Silence! Try again, Henry.
The world's baggiest bot was as big...
Thank you. I think we've all heard enough, Henry.
Oh, I've got to get rid of these hiccups!
Now, children, today I want you to mix up some blue dye and some yellow dye and see what colour you can make.
Psst, Brian!
What is it, Henry?
Can you mix up a potion to scare my hiccups away?
No problem. First, we need to mix up some plutonium blastamite. And then we add the magnesium nitrofizzle. And now, the most important ingredient of all, dynamitium exploding bauxite. Oh, I say, oops.
Oh, well, that didn't work. realise that laughing can make you so miserable.
If you can get hiccups from laughing, maybe being really sad can get rid of them.
What's the saddest thing you can think of, William? Not enough jam on my toast. Mine would be losing all my pocket money. Ralph, what are you doing?
Trying to give you a fright.
Oh, thanks.
Maybe it would work if you gave someone a fright.
Good idea! Let's go!
OK, so who would you say is the smelliest boy in the school?
Henry?
Apart from Henry.
I am the Dog Avenger!
Henry's got the hiccups.
Very funny. Oh, well, that didn't work.
Hello, Henry. Miss Oddbod wants to see you in her office.
Oh, great. That's all I need. Thank you, Andrew.
Come on in.
Oh, whatever it wasn't my fault.
Oh, no, Henry, you haven't done anything wrong today. I've got someone here who wants to meet you.
Huh?
This is Mr. Snapshot from the Big Book of Weird and Wacky Records.
Hi there, Henry. Call me Sam. We think you're about to break a record.
Me? What record?
Well, according to my notes, you got your hiccups at 9:30 this morning, and you've been hiccuping at a constant rate ever since. We estimate that you have hiccuped 9,389 times.
4 more, and you've got the town record.
You mean I could be a record breaker?
3 more to go! So, we need a picture of you for next year's cover, and there's £50 of prize money too.
Wow! I'm going to be rich and famous!
I want to get a photo of that record-breaking hiccup.
Any minute now.
Whenever you're ready, hiccuping Henry.
I can feel it. It's on its way.
We found one, Henry!
What?
Peter, what are you doing?
There's a frog in my trousers!
He said a frog would get rid of my hiccups, so I thought it would work for him.
Oh, no!
Peter, you've got rid of Henry's hiccups.
Thanks, Worm.
Better luck next time, Henry.
Well, you know what I'm going to say to that, don't you?
It's not easy being me. Wash your face and brush your hair. Well, nag, 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 it's just not fair. I'm Horrid Henry. So down with school, I'm gonna rule. And when I'm king, I'll do my thing. And then my life will be so sweet. I'm Horrid Henry. Na na na, na na nay. The purple hand gang rules okay. It's not easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry. Na na na, it's not fair. Na na nay, I wasn't there. Why do I get blamed for everything? 'Cause I'm Horrid Henry. No, it's not easy being me. Tidy up!
Just look at your hair.
Nag, 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 it's so not fair. I'm Horrid Henry. So down with school, I'm gonna rule. sweet, I'm Horrid Henry. So down with school, I'm gonna rule. And when I'm king, I'll do my thing. And then my life will be so sweet, I'm Horrid Henry. So many things that I don't like. Teachers happy, hippos going for a hike. Goody goodies girls, anything with curls. Sitting up straight, having to wait. Cleaning out fang, doing my chores. Cleaning the car is such a bore. Homework, schoolwork, any kind of work, don't wanna do them anymore. 'Cause when I'm famous, I won't care. I'll never wash or comb my hair. I'll be king of everything, King Horrid Henry. No, it's not easy being me. I don't know why they cannot see just how hard it is to be